What is going on, you guys? It's Caleb here, CD More 23. You already know what's good. I'm excited to show you guys the Ohio and Erie Canal Towpath Trail. We're going from Clinton Trailhead to Franklin Trailhead. Let's get to it. Let's get started. It's time to let them know. Let's go. Less than a mile to go to Franklin Trailhead. Such a nice day to go out for a walk, especially when it's 70-degree weather. It's sunny, a little chill. It's nice. Two of them combined, Clinton to Franklin. Both are part of the hiking spree for alls, which is really nice that we can get two of them out of the way and just hopefully by the due date, May 31st, I complete all of those Summit Metro Parks. Get it. Oh no. Oh no, I just lost it. One mile till we get to the end of Clinton Trailhead. This hike is awesome, so peaceful, man. You get to meet the people when they're walking and they're running and bikers riding. Good vibes all the way through. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, that is it for the Ohio and Erie Canal Towpath Trail, the Clinton Trailhead, and Franklin Trailhead. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more trails to come. I look forward and always looking forward to keep striving for greatness and more hiking trails. Thanks guys.